Well, a lot of you made those New Year's resolutions about getting fit and getting in better shape and becoming more healthy in your lifestyle, especially as older we get. Well, let me tell you a place that can take care of all of that for you, and that's the Energy Club here in Long Beach. Frank and Cheryl Oliva are the owners, and of course, thank you for having us in here today. I've known Frank for a long time. You started out over in Diamond Head teaching yoga, which is where you and Frank met. Give us a little history about the Energy Club.
Frank built the Energy Club 32 years ago. He wanted a place where people could come and work out with their family, a place where the community could come together. At the time, there was mostly just gyms, but we are more than just a gym. We offer everything for every age group of the family, and we have a lot of amenities here that regular gyms don't have.
You definitely do. Matter of fact, we're going to take you on a tour and show you all the great stuff that they have here at the Energy Club in Long Beach.
So as members arrive at the Energy Club, we do have some precautions in place. You're welcome to wear a mask when you're not exercising, and everybody checks their temperature. Everybody checks in here at the front desk, and John is working this morning. And then today I'm going to show you around the Energy Club. So if you were coming here for the first time, I would stop here at the desk and we'd visit, and then I would show you a tour. And I'd also give you a free pass for 1 week to come and try our amenities. We don't sell memberships here at the Energy Club. People come and try it, and they actually choose to join. So come on through and I'll show you around. We have 3 racquetball courts, and they're very popular, especially on Monday and Wednesday nights. And a lot of families like to bring their children here on the weekends and play racquetball with their kids. And there's a lot of people that come in the afternoon. There's a group of family of brothers, and they all work in different locations. They get together and they come and play racquetball.
Never played that. I'll have to come try it sometime.
Oh yes, it's a lot of fun. You get a great workout. It gives you your agility, it gives you your strength, your endurance. It's a really good workout.
Now, you hear some noise down the hall here.
We
because you have different classes that go on.
We do. We have a lot of classes here at the Energy Club that suit all ages and all abilities. This is an all-around fitness class by Donna, and right now they're in their cool-down part. And now we get to go to the next room. We have our functional training room, which we also call the red room.
If you have small children, you have a nursery as well that you can bring your kids and leave them there while they, while you work out.
Absolutely. We offer free childcare here at the Energy Club. It's all included in the membership. Everything you see is included in the membership. Now, so this is our functional training room, also called a CrossFit room by a lot of people who like to do CrossFit. We do offer free personal training. It's a small group training class every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. But people are welcome to come and use this room anytime they like. We are open 24 hours. Members are given a scan card, and as long as their membership is in good standing, they can let themselves in. So if you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and you want to come and punch a boxing bag, come play. We're open.
They got a smoothie bar, going to be opening again soon.
That's right, Jim. This is an area that we like to have smoothies and coffee, and then we also have special events.
Oh, okay.
We did things like beer and bends, where we did yoga, and then we came out and we socialized afterwards. We had parties where we do like the paint a picture and have some wine. So we plan to do those at least once a month when the time is right.
Now, you have an outside area that you've just developed for people to go out and work on.
Yes.
Matter of fact, John showed me how to do the
battle ropes. That's right. Yes.
After a few minutes, it'll work you out real good.
You got a great workout.
I did. Just that few minutes that I was out there. Also, you cater a lot to the women who like to come in and work out alone.
We have a women's only area, so for women who do want to have a private place to exercise, everything they need is in this room. They have the cardio, the strength, the endurance, and a place to stretch. Okay. So it's a lovely room for women, and it's very popular.
Pool area. Now, you have classes in the pool area too.
We do. We have classes every morning in the pool, Monday through Friday. Very vibrant, active group. I love it. You have people there in their 90s, and they attribute their ability to be able to shower, dress, drive, bathe, do everything they need to do on the pool. They really missed it when we were closed, but they love the pool. Love it.
And of course, then you've got the big workout area here.
This is our strength training area, and we have a wide variety of equipment. We have your pre-core, we have hammer strength, then we have the free weights, we have the cross cables, we have the squat racks, Pretty much every ability and age comes back here and finds something that they like to do.
Do you have personal trainers?
We do, yes, sir, we do.
Because I know a lot of people say, yeah, I'd really like to do this, but I don't know what to do.
Right, we do.
And you don't want them to get in here and hurt themselves, because you can if you aren't sure of what you're doing. You don't want to just jump into lifting more weight than you can. So one of your trainers right there.
And this is Alicia. She's one of our trainers with one of her small groups this morning, and she's been with us for over 20 years. She's a face of the Energy Club. We love Alicia, and she's helped many, many of our members. Alicia's great at working with seniors, but she's also really good at working with athletes, younger students who want to get better with their game, with soccer or baseball, whatever, golf. Alicia is very, very talented and can help people throughout the whole age variety and any type of exercise.
And again, it's important to do these exercises correctly, so again, you don't hurt yourself. Depending on what you're training for. One of the things that I like too is the separate dressing rooms that you have.
Yes.
And they have, full facilities in
Yes,
them.
we do. We have in each dressing room, we have the whirlpool, so you can relax your muscles after a long workout. We have the sauna, which is excellent for helping to detoxify your body and even to help stretch some. And then we have the steam room. So a lot of people, especially with sinuses, they love to get in that steam room, and it feels so good.
It'll help drain those things real good.
Oh, yes. It's so good for you. It helps to detoxify your body after a long workout, so it helps your body to restore.
And one of the great workouts they have is your spin class.
Yes, we do. We have a lovely spin studio, very popular. We have classes early in the morning and in the evenings in the spin room too.
Okay, and I guess you have to probably reserve a spot on those because they're so popular. The spin bikes.
We actually are very blessed. We have a very large facility. We have a 30,000 square feet. So we don't require people to make a reservation for any of our classes. Everybody's welcome, because we have so many classes that is not a problem.
Okay.
So if it did become a problem, then we would do that, and we have the capability of doing that where people can go on to an app that they can do that. But we haven't needed to, because we offer such a wide variety of classes and lots of them.
So you accept several different health insurances?
That's right, Jim, we do. Come by to the Energy Club and take a tour, have a 7-day pass, and many health insurances may cover your membership. So we're here for you to help meet all your fitness journey goals.
And you got the Silver Sneaker Club?
We do. We have a very active Silver Sneakers class here at the Energy Club. They get together and they do really, really well. It helps them keep their strength, their endurance, their flexibility, and to live a lot happier and longer.
Okay, and if you want more information on the classes, the class schedule, you can go to theenergyclub.com and also on Facebook.
Correct. It's the-energy-club.com.